30 Days to New Skin and a Youthful Glow. Core Collection Spotlight. A new year and a new you with beautiful, radiant skin. Our Mikel Kristi Core Collection will feed your skin all the right nutrients for rejuvenation and health. The basic needs for all skin types are restoration, protection, and exfoliation. Use our Core Collection to meet and exceed these needs easily. Refreshing Botanical Wash for exfoliation in the morning and the evening is loaded with bioactive ingredients to gently exfoliate the dead skin cells away and essential oils to refresh and invigorate the skin. Cleansing the skin every morning is essential to remove the residue and excess dead skin cells from the skin's regenerative processes that occurred during sleep. Cleansing the skin every evening is also important to remove the makeup and the grime from the day and to prep the skin for the application of anti-aging ingredients. Cleanse the skin in circular motions for 30 to 60 seconds. Only use your fingers to cleanse delicate facial skin. Abrasive washcloths and scrubs can damage the skin and create a rough, sandpapery, blemished appearance. Facial brushes and soft facial cloths are fine but not necessary. Rinse thoroughly with cool to lukewarm water. Lavender Hibiscus Toner for restoration and protection in the morning and the evening. This refreshing pure lavender is the perfect herbal toner to immediately restore the skin's pH balance. Formulated with organic hibiscus extract to help firm the skin and pave a clear pathway for smooth, even application and ideal absorption of our serums and moisturizers. Regular use helps calm redness and significantly increases hydration while maintaining soft and smooth skin. It's great for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Peptide Serum for restoration and protection morning and evening. Peptide Serum is a super concentrated daily treatment serum using our highly effective biopeptide complex to refine, revitalize, and assist the skin's natural repair function. This serum is loaded with bioactive peptides and growth factors to promote collagen production for visible pore refinement and wrinkle reduction. Our C Radiance Moisturizer for restoration and protection morning and evening. Loaded with anti-aging properties, this silky and lightweight formula expertly delivers not one, but 3 forms of highly stable vitamin C, where your skin needs it most. Achieve ultra hydration and glowing radiance from sunrise to sunset. Apply a thin layer to the face, neck, and chest in the morning and the evening. Vital A Rejuvenating Serum for restoration, protection, and exfoliation in the evening only. Retinaldehyde is the best form of retinoid available. It is the immediate precursor to retinoic acid. Therefore, upon application, the skin converts a significant amount to the potent bioavailable retinoic acid for the positive benefits of anti-aging. Our Core Collection provides everything you need to achieve balanced, healthy, beautiful skin. Try our Mikel Kristi Core Collection today and enjoy your skin's transformation over the next 30 days.